Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to the channel of the Italian guy. If you are new to this channel, my channel deals about video recipes of ketogenic recipes. I have fun in turning traditional recipes into keto ones whenever it's possible. Video blogs of my travelings and some review of apps or items that I like to buy. I like technology. Today, walnut and coffee. Let's see straight away the recipe. 160 grams of powdered walnuts, 90 grams of erythtritol. Let's give a good stir. If you have a coffee grinder to reduce the walnuts in powder, it would be better because the blender is too powerful and could release the oil. 80 grams of melted butter and 3 eggs. Four teaspoons of soluble coffee. If you have the classic Italian mocha, you can use the coffee produced from this machine. And this amount is to taste. If you want more than 4, less than 4, it's up to you. If you want the cake to taste more stronger or less than coffee. Yeah. Now use a mixer and beat the eggs, the whole dough for 10 minutes at least, so you can have a lot of air incorporated into the dough, and this will help the dough to rise in the oven. Okay. 350 the degrees Fahrenheit, fan oven, 20 minutes. Okay, now we prepared well, I don't see the word in English. Okay, the color, so to say. 150 grams of softened butter, 50 grams of powdered erythtritol. Again, this is to taste. If you want less sweet, more sweet, it's up to you. And use a mixer again. Keep mixing until it becomes like this, exactly. 4 teaspoons of coffee. Again, it's up to you. This is to taste. If you want to taste it less or more strong than of coffee, it's up to you. And yeah, keep using the mixer until it becomes of this consistency. Okay, now the cake is ready. We can spread the frost, yeah, the frost on the top of it, and enjoy. Absolutely delectable, scrumptious, exquisite. Let's do some considerations together. The amount of erythritol is to taste, so it depends if you want the cake sweeter or less sweet. I put all walnuts flour, so if you don't like this because it's too strong, out of 160 grams of flour, you can put 100 grams of almond flour and 60 of walnuts, powdered walnuts. So it's up to you. I prefer to use whole walnuts so that the cake tastes of walnuts. But as I said, it's up to you. Feel free to vary with the doses. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. Next week I will prepare keto Twix with the caramel, so stay tuned. Share the video please with within your friends, on your social accounts. Subscribe if you like it and help me to grow. I hope you like the cake. Let me know again in the box below. See you next time.